Ayan, part 2. Hindi,
So,
take
part
2
2.
pala.
Take 2.
So,
Guys, pagpasensya nyo na yung labahan namin, no? Love. May love labahan.
ayan, bukas pa yan sila maghihiwalay.
bukas-
Nakaschedule sila maghihiwalay
Oo.
bukas. So, ayan.
Maghiwalay o magsasama?
Ito na kasi. So, yan, my mom bought this thing which called a mini tarot for age 14 plus. So, bakit siya 14
O
plus?
talaga?
Sa,
Nakalagay?
wait lang kasi, mag-i-explain na ngayon tao. So, bakit siya 14 plus? Bakit siya allowed sa mga 14 plus? Kasi, this genius card or this genius deck can easily begin to familiarize yourself with the main themes contained each card. So, okay, to summarize all of that, kumbaga, ito yung card na to sa mga nahihilig magbasa ng mga tarot cards. Kumbaga, ito yung guide nila kung paano nila mababasa yung cards.
So, perfect.
Yung meaning ng
Yeah,
card.
yeah. The card is perfect for you because, you know. No. You know what?
What?
The first lumabas dito is for yourself. Sabi niya, di ba, support yourself before support to others. Again, so,
So, we are doing this content right now for, entertainment.
Yeah.
Entertainment purpose.
Pero pag hindi ako magbasa, dapat ikaw magbabasa. Ganun. So,
Sige.
you need to get 3 cards. And you
So,
read my palm.
I actually don't know how to read like the palm. I actually just
You know how to read, and then you know what is the meaning.
yeah, because I read it. I read it here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay, so without further ado and say the magic word.
Where is the magic word? Ako pipili.
No, you
Okay.
ask the guidance for universe.
Okay. Start.
Humingi ka ng guidance.
Okay. Guidance for universe.
Okay. So,
The card is
wag mo na Englishin, baka malungsbit sa'yo si universe.
the card is for me. Oh, I love it.
Hindi pa nga nila siya shuffle eh.
Ay, hindi pa
Wala
ba?
Take two.
Pero alam ko yung meaning nun.
Wala pa. Wait lang. I-shuffle natin.
Bilisan mo, maubos na yung oras natin. 2 and 4.
Okay, sige na.
Hanggang 3 minutes
Ayan.
lang talaga yan.
Ako na. Sige. Ikaw.
So, my card is... Oh, I love it.
Lang. Ayan. Isa pa. Sige pa. Gitna. Okay, gitna. Gitna. Huwag mo namang sunod-sunurin.